is fun. Today we're going to be doing a stomp rocket. And so we got this, I got this cool stomp rocket from Santa Claus. It was under our tree. And I got a big blue bear too. So this is how it works. You put that. This is for the yellow because it has that. And this is for the blue because it has that. We got 2 weeks of these, but we only have 2 outside. And so me and my dad are going to do it at the same time right now. So come on, Dad.
Okay, buddy.
So I'm going to do it first. See how high that went?
Not very high.
Not really high, but watch my dad.
Whoa.
He goes high.
Very good.
Now I'm going to try it with Uncle Scott. Come on, Uncle Scott.
Okay. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
We almost went the same height.
They win.
1, 2, 3.
Where did that thing go? Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
That's cool. Okay, now it's all you, Rock. Stomp it out, stomp it out.
Hey, that doesn't go on there. So I hope you like our video. I'm doing it one more time. Get that on there. Got it from Santa too. So I'm doing a toy Santa from Santa.
All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Oh, never mind. We're doing them both at the same time.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. This is the way. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah, that was good. They go so high, it's crazy. Was that fun?
Yeah, my dad just flew it. Like, my dad flew it like he was a monster. My dad flew it like it was an airplane going up from our house. So thank you for watching our video today. Push the like button, subscribe. See you next time. Definitely push the like button and smash the subscribe button.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that flew.
That one did fly. See you guys.
See you guys.
Rock
Bye.
Douglas fun.
Rock Douglas fun.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching Rock Douglas fun. We hope you liked all the rockets and stuff. They were pretty fun for us. And we'll see you next time. Subscribe and like.
Push the like button. Comment down below what you want us to do.
Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
2017. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Hello.
Bye.
Where did the little boy go?
Bye.
Hello. Bye-bye. Woo. Party time. Rocket ship. Rocket poppin'. Stompers. Bye-bye.